You are in a kayak in Lake Superior, directly east of Blake Point on Isle Royale. You are 2.56 miles away from Blake Point. You notice a steamship off in the distance, SOH CAH TOA, at a 24-degree angle from where the Blake Point is. You hear over the radio that the boat's location is directly north of Blake Point. This means we can use SOH CAH TOA because this forms a right triangle or triangle with 190-degree angle. What is the distance to this boat? Because we are given the side length adjacent, which is the distance to Blake Point, and we're trying to solve for the distance to the steamboat, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle, we can use the portion of SOH CAH TOA, which is CAH, which is shorthand for the trigonometric function cosine of the angle is equal to the side length adjacent to that angle divided by the hypotenuse or longest side of the triangle. The formula states that for a given angle, the ratio of the side length adjacent to the hypotenuse will always be the same for a right triangle. Now we need to get what we are solving for, the hypotenuse, to one side. To do so, we must first multiply both sides by the hypotenuse. Then we need to divide both sides by the cosine of the angle. Now to solve this problem, we need to plug in our adjacent side or distance to Blake Point and our angle to the steamboat, which is 24 degrees. Pressing the enter key on our calculator, we get a distance of 2.802 miles for the hypotenuse or longest side of the triangle, which is the distance to the steamboat. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.